Hello, I am Duka. Welcome to the African Native Tales by Duka. I suppose you must have attended a funeral in Igbo land and witnessed the revered presence of the ụmụada. Ever wondered why they are held in such high esteem in the funeral ceremonies? In the Igbo society, when a loved one passes away, it's not just a community mourning. It's an intricate cultural and spiritual ceremony that brings together the living, the ancestors, and the souls that journey between them. Central to this process are the ụmụada, the women born into a kindred, whose role in the funeral rites is both profound and irreplaceable. Traditionally, these women were called upon to take care of the deceased. They would prepare the body for burial, ensuring it was properly cleaned and set for the journey ahead. Through the night, ụmụada would keep vigil, lighting candles and using nuboldia leaves known among the Igbo people as ogilisi, to ward off negative energies, ensuring that the soul of the departed is protected during its transition. They play an essential part in guiding the soul, ensuring it successfully moves from the land of the living to the land of the ancestors, where the soul would give account of its life. According to Igbo belief and traditions, it's the ụmụada, both living and those who have passed before, who lead the soul through this sacred journey, safeguarding the soul's passage into the spiritual realm. The living guide the soul through the physical realm to the point it meets with the spiritual realm. This point is marked by the grave. At this threshold, the ụmụada, who have passed on, take over, guiding the soul to the community of kindred ancestors. The Ichia. There, the soul will render an account of how it lived up to the pledge it made to the ancestors in fulfilling its destiny and maintaining the continuity of the lineage, before being allowed to incarnate through their lineage. While modern advancements, such as morgues, have eased some of the responsibilities of the ụmụada in preparing the body, their role is far from diminished. Even today, the ụmụada continue their essential role. They still gather, keep watch through the night before the funeral, and ensure that the funeral rites are completed successfully, working together with the ụmụada, the kinsmen. In Igbo society, no burial or funeral is considered complete without the presence of the ụmụada. Their spiritual guidance ensures the soul reaches its rightful place among the ancestors. So, the next time you witness the ụmụada at a funeral, remember that their presence is not just ceremonial. It's a profound expression of the spiritual journey that bridges the gap between the living and the dead. Their role is a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the sacred bond between the worlds. A role that weaves together the threads of ancestry, community, and continuity. Like, follow, and comment below.